The beta version of ChatGPT, an AI chatbot based on the GPT 3.5 language model, was released recently by OpenAI, a company that studies AI. But even though ChatGPT is still in the testing phase, it has garnered attention because of its potential. Some people even believe that ChatGPT will take Google's position. So, compared to other chatbots, what characteristics set ChatGPT apart from the competition? What does the future hold for ChatGPT? And the million-dollar question, how can you invest in ChatGPT? We'll find out in this video. Before we go on, please click the button below to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot prototype developed by OpenAI that specializes in dialogue. The chatbot is made up of a big language model that has been tweaked using both supervised learning and reinforcement learning. It is a refined version of a model from OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language model family. OpenAI's newest product, ChatGPT, was founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman. The program is built on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 language mode, an improved version of the model released in 2020. This service has been used to write poetry, create opening messages for dating apps, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to have fun and do useful things, like asking follow-up questions and giving the app complicated instructions. Companies such as Microsoft have contributed $1 billion to OpenAI. It has repeatedly stated that it is focused on developing safe AI for humanity. In a recent presentation to investors, they said they expect to make $200 million in sales in 2023 and $1 billion a year by 2024. Recently, OpenAI was valued at $20 billion. Currently, they make money by charging developers licensing fees for the technology. The website says that one of the biggest problems with the product is that it sometimes gives wrong or biased information. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman previously addressed these limitations in a tweet on December 10. He said, ChatGPT is extremely limited but good enough at some things to give the impression of greatness. It would be a mistake to rely on it for anything important right now. It's a preview of what's to come. We still have a lot of work to do on robustness and truthfulness. ChatGPT has been trained using machine learning algorithms and is capable of understanding open-ended questions. It not only understands orders, but it also understands the language. The bot continues to improve as it learns from its interactions with users. Microsoft invested $1 billion in OpenAI LP in 2019. OpenAI is headquartered in San Francisco's Mission District at the Pioneer Building. This artificial intelligence bot can write essays, poems, and computer programs, as well as answer questions. But be cautious about how much you rely on it. As part of the features of ChatGPT, when compared to its predecessor, InstructGPT, ChatGPT tries to reduce harmful and misleading answers. ChatGPT's training data includes things like bulletin board systems and the Python programming language, as well as man pages and information about these things and programming languages. ChatGPT is different from most chatbots because it can remember what you told it in previous conversations. This is why some journalists think it could be used as a personalized therapist. Queries are checked by a moderation API to make sure that ChatGPT doesn't see or produce anything offensive. For example, racist or sexist prompts are ignored. On the other hand, ChatGPT has several limitations, as earlier mentioned. Goodhart's law says that ChatGPT's reward model, which is based on human oversight, can be too good and hurt performance. Other important features of ChatGPT include the ability to ask and answer questions, solve mathematical equations, write text, basic academic articles, literary texts, movie scripts, etc., debug and repair, for example, finding and fixing errors in any code block, translate between languages, summarize and find keywords in text, classify, and make suggestions. ChatGPT, a chatbot powered by artificial intelligence, is available for free. Here's a step-by-step guide to using ChatGPT. Open the website, OpenAI.com, on your computer or phone. If you have an OpenAI membership, log into your account by clicking the Login button. If you do not already have an account, create one by clicking the Sign Up button. You can get to ChatGPT from the chat screen that comes up after you sign in. OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research firm, created ChatGPT. Its goal is to make or help others make an artificial general intelligence system that is safe and helpful. It's made headlines before, first with GPT-3, which can generate texts that sounds like a human wrote it, and then with DALL-E, which produces what's now known as generative art based on text prompts you to type in. GPT-3 and the GPT 3.5 update, on which ChatGPT is based, are examples of large language models, a type of AI technology. They are taught to write text based on what they have seen, and they can be taught automatically with a lot of computer power and time. For example, the training process could find a random paragraph of text, delete a few words, ask the AI to fill in the blanks, compare the result to the original, and then reward the AI system for coming as close as possible to the original. Over time, repetition can lead to a sophisticated ability to generate text. Now, you may ask, is ChatGPT completely free? Yes, for the time being. We will have to monetize it somehow at some point. The compute costs are eye-watering, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman warned. When you use DALL-E art beyond a basic free level, OpenAI will charge you. However, OpenAI appears to have found some customers, most likely for its GPT tools. It has informed potential investors. According to Reuters, OpenAI expects $200 million in revenue in 2023 and $1 billion in 2024. ChatGPT can also help students cheat more effectively, but, as with many other technological advances, it is not a simple black and white situation. Students could copy encyclopedia entries from decades ago, and more recently, they could search the internet and read Wikipedia entries. ChatGPT has new features that can help you with research or even do all of your homework for you. Many ChatGPT answers already sound like student essays, but with a stuffier and more pedantic tone than a writer might like. ChatGPT can develop software, but with qualifications. ChatGPT can both retrace human steps and generate actual programming code. You just have to ensure you're not misinterpreting programming concepts or using outdated software. The Stack Overflow ban on ChatGPT-generated software serves a purpose. However, there is enough software available on the internet for ChatGPT to function properly. ChatGPT can parse regular expressions, regex, which is a powerful but complicated way to find specific patterns, like dates in a string of text or the name of a server in a URL. It's like having a programming tutor available 24/7, programmer James Blackwell said of ChatGPT's ability to explain regex. Here's an example of its technical prowess. ChatGPT can simulate a Linux computer and respond to command line input correctly. Because the technology was only released a few weeks ago, estimating the total impact is difficult. However, there are clear and undeniable implications. People's online search habits will change. There are fears that this new technology will harm Google and cause people to change the way they search for content online. Creating content will be easier than ever. We're not far away from reading articles generated by AI software. This new tool will be a game changer in a variety of industries. We will continue to track the effectiveness of the OpenAI tools. Also, ChatGPT filters out inappropriate requests, which is in line with OpenAI's mission to ensure that artificial general intelligence benefits all of humanity. If you ask ChatGPT what is prohibited, it will tell you any questions that are discriminatory, offensive, or inappropriate. This includes racist, sexist, homophobic, transphobic, or other discriminatory or hateful questions. Inviting it to engage in illegal activities is also prohibited. When it comes to investing, you can't invest directly in ChatGPT because the company hasn't gone public. If you want to invest in artificial intelligence, you should know that many publicly traded companies are using the technology and putting a lot of money into this area. Here are some AI stocks to consider if you want to invest in this industry. One of them is Lemonade, the first insurance company to use AI technology for everything from purchasing insurance to managing claims. Maya, the AI-powered bot, handles customer service and every other aspect of the business. Also, we have Amazon. It's surprising how deeply embedded AI technology is throughout Amazon's business. Amazon uses artificial intelligence to recommend personalized products to users. Small robots with artificial intelligence are used in the company's fulfillment centers to move packages around the warehouse along with real people. Amazon also has Amazon Fresh, Amazon Go, and the Just Walk Out payment service. Aside from that, there is Alexa in millions of homes and the Amazon Web Services platform, which hosts many streaming services. Next, we have Tesla. Tesla dedicates an entire day to AI and actively recruits top AI talent. The company has been developing a humanoid robot, which is still in its early stages. They are also working on a robot taxi service so that people who own cars can make money off of them while they sleep. Another AI company you can invest in is Meta Platforms, Inc. AI is used in every part of Meta, including your newsfeed and the algorithm for showing ads. It is also home to the Meta AI Lab, where scientists are working on new ways to decode speech from brain activity in people with brain injuries. Even if it appears that Meta can read your mind, it would be revolutionary if they could one day read your brainwaves. There's also C3.ai. If you want to go completely digital, C3.ai offers enterprise AI, which are AI applications designed specifically for your business. They assist businesses in completing cloud-based digital transformations. Artificial intelligence tools help with everything from improving business operations to increasing employee safety. Finally, we have Google Inc. We don't have to look far to see how important AI is to Google, but it's worth noting that Google's parent company is a research leader in this field. AI takes care of daily tasks like filtering search suggestions and giving accurate ways to organize photos. In an interesting plot twist, Google executives recently said that they won't be putting out a tool that competes with theirs because they would face reputational risks that a startup wouldn't. Because Google is used by over 1 billion people, the company does not want to publish incorrect information. When it comes to the importance of artificial intelligence, we can't say enough about how important it is because it is changing how every industry works. It is changing our everyday lives, with the possibility of self-driving cars that combine Airbnb and Uber and improvements in the healthcare industry. AI is also used by college admissions departments to handle applications, by e-commerce platforms to make personalized product suggestions, and by financial firms to find fraud and avoid budgeting mistakes. AI enables computers to make decisions that would previously require human intervention. And because AI can solve complex problems, automate tasks, perform data analysis, minimize errors, and improve customer service, you can interact with a business without speaking to a real human. However, there are doubts about ChatGPT's ability to take the place of Google. It is not possible for ChatGPT or any other AI bot to crawl the internet in search of answers. According to Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, while ChatGPT does a wonderful job at being creative, it is not factually true every time you summon it, which is why doing so is not a smart idea. So, chatbots with artificial intelligence can't replace search engines, at least not in the near future. Reports have indicated that ChatGPT is not a search engine in the same sense as Google. The GPT, generative pre-training transformer, language model is a type of artificial intelligence that can be taught to write text that sounds like it was written by a person. ChatGPT is a version of the GPT language model. It is not designed to carry out activities like searching or responding to questions in the manner of a search engine. Instead, it is made to make text in response to a certain prompt or input. It can be used for many different things, such as translating languages, summarizing texts, and making languages. It's hard to know what will happen in the future, but Google has been working hard to improve its search engine by using the same technology that Lambda, ChatGPT, and other AI chatbots use. Also, with regards to which is superior between ChatGPT and Google Search, it's helpful to be able to ask a question on the internet and get an answer, and ChatGPT usually does that. Google, on the other hand, gives you suggested answers to your questions and links to websites it thinks will be useful. ChatGPT's answers often outperform what Google offers, so it's easy to believe GPT-3 is a competitor. However, it would help if you thought twice before trusting ChatGPT. As with Google and other information sources such as Wikipedia, it is best practice to verify information from original sources before relying on it. Because ChatGPT only gives raw text with no links or citations, it takes some work to make sure that the answers are correct. However, it can be beneficial and, in some cases, thought-provoking.